Hello, guys. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Discord server emotes. Can you use them in other servers or DMs? Let's find out. So, first of all, once you've joined some servers, you will notice that they have lots of emotes or animated stickers that you can interact with to make the community much more fun. And uh, let me just check in here. Yes, I do have a server, but it's not showing any chats in here. But basically, if the question is if you can actually use them to other servers or DMs, yes, definitely you can. But it's beyond a paywall. You actually need to get a Nitro subscription for this. But once you've got your subscription, you can immediately use those emotes to send messages to your servers or your friends. You will notice that the lock icon will no longer be visible, and you should now be able to interact with each individual emotes you got from that server. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.